Now to map a sphere as the Earth, we need to get a sphere. So let's delete this cube here. Hit right click on it, hit delete or the X key, and then our target's right there. So let's go to the add menu and mesh and get a UV sphere. Now that we have the sphere, let's open up a menu over here and change the viewport to UV image editor, just as we have done on the cube and other things. Now go into edit mode over here, put your cursor back over here and hit the tab key. It's all selected. When you hit U or press U on the keyboard, instead of just unwrapping this, because that wouldn't do a very good job, we haven't marked any seams, but there is a sphere projection, and let's click on that. And that unwraps it a certain way so that we can have a flat picture, and then it wraps it back around the sphere in a nice way. So now that we have that unwrapped, that's the easy part, and now we have to draw the Earth onto it. So click on New, and now that we're doing the Earth, we can name it Earth or something similar, and we can click on the black, and no part of it's going to be black, so let's click and drag this up to get some color, and we're going to make it blue. So whatever blue you want to make it like the ocean, since ocean is 70% of the Earth, we'll start with that. And then click OK. Have to zoom out, and here's the water. Now we're going to draw some land in shape of Earth. So to do that, we need to get the paint. So click on View. If it's not there, if you're not seeing it, just hover your mouse down here and use the scroll wheel to scroll over. Click View and select Paint, and then if you click this plus right here, it gives us the painting menu. Now, just as before, we need to map this onto the sphere, and we're going to make sure you're in Cycles Render first. Cycles Render, let's change this view right now to Material so that when we map it, we'll see it and we'll know that we did it correctly. So come over here to the Options tabs, or the Properties tabs, and find the Materials tab. Click on it. Select New. Make sure again you're in Cycles Render. Select New. And instead of the color, we're going to click on this for more options, and we're going to get Image Texture. And then one last step, we'll click right here to select our image, and then it's mapped right on there. So when I start drawing, I should be able to see it there. So now we just need to follow the contours. We know that this is the top of the cube, and this will be kind of the North Pole area, and then over here and over here is the South Pole, or the Antarctica. So then you can get a green or whatever other color you want to use for the land, and just start drawing the land however you want to do it. That's very fast drawing. But depending on the colors and where you want to put things, there it is right there. And also pay attention to the radius, the size of it, and the strength. See, that's kind of see-through, and so if I put the strength back up, it makes it a little darker. So, but it's good to do some shading and things. This doesn't need to be too detailed, but as long as you have some land here and there, put Russia over here, make it bigger, and then just fill in land where there is land on the Earth. And that way it will be mapped over here. The last thing you'll do is tab out to object mode so you can see it really well, and then take a screenshot of this. So open up a Word document and do the screen clipping, and take a screenshot of both the sphere and the mapping here that you've done.